Colosseum rises from the heart of Rome as a monument to power, ambition, and spectacle. For nearly 2,000 years it has stood as one of the greatest achievements of the ancient world, a symbol of Roman engineering at its peak. This was no ordinary arena. More than 50,000 spectators once filled its seats, watching gladiators clash, wild beasts roar, and dramatic performances unfold on sand-covered ground. The very word arena comes from the Latin harina, meaning sand, laid down to absorb blood and steady the fighter's feet. But the real genius of the Colosseum was hidden beneath the surface. Below the wooden arena floor lay the Hypogeum, a vast underground network of tunnels, chambers, cages, and machinery. In the shadows, gladiators prepared for battle. Animals waited in darkness. Above them, the crowd saw only calm sand, until trapdoors suddenly burst open. Lions, bears, and armed warriors rose into the light as if summoned by magic. In truth, they were lifted by a system of ropes, pulleys, and 28 mechanical platforms operated by teams of workers. It was precision engineering disguised as spectacle. The Colosseum stood at the center of a lively district. Nearby was the great gladiator school, the Ludus Magnus, where fighters trained for glory or death. Close by rose the triumphant Arch of Constantine. The massive temple of Venus in Roma once dominated the skyline, and the towering Colossus of Nero may have inspired the arena's name. Originally called the Flavian Amphitheater, construction began in AD 72 and finished in only 8 years, an astonishing feat. Built on unstable ground, engineers created a 12-meter-thick ring foundation of Roman concrete. That foundation is one reason the structure still stands today. The amphitheater had 4 levels. The first 3 displayed the classical Greek orders, Doric, Ionic, and Corinthian, showing Rome's respect for tradition and its ability to surpass it. The 4th level supported the massive velarium, a retractable awning stretched over the seats to shield spectators from the burning sun. Operated by hundreds of sailors using ropes and masts, it was an early masterpiece of crowd comfort and design. There were 80 entrances, 76 of them numbered, to move tens of thousands efficiently, a system that modern stadiums still follow. Special gates led directly to the arena floor, one for victors, one for the fallen. In the Colosseum, triumph and tragedy were separated by a single doorway. In its early years, the arena could even be flooded for staged naval battles known as naumachia. Water from aqueducts transformed the space into a temporary sea. When the spectacle ended, it drained away through Rome's vast sewer network, and the games resumed as if nothing had happened. For nearly 500 years, the Colosseum was the stage for Rome's grandest displays, brutal, dramatic, unforgettable. Emperors used the games to win public favor, reinforce authority, and demonstrate the empire's wealth and reach. Today, the battles are silent, the crowds gone. Yet the structure remains, not merely as ruins of stone, but as a lasting symbol of a civilization that believed nothing was beyond its reach, and proved it in stone, sand, and steel.